Hello, I'm Parker Hayes, and I am an officer of the Tyler FFA chapter. And my experience with the FFA has been very extraordinary. It started off my freshman year with my brother. He told me that FFA was very awesome and how it taught him things in life. And I thought of it as like a inspirational moment for me to go into it and be inspired by him. So I took it for granted. I'm here now. It's very awesome. We got a new building here. It's been very great. Junior year, I took my first officer role as Sentinel. I'm now the Vice President, so being the Vice President is more responsible than the Sentinel. If the President's not here, I have to take role and be accomplished of what our chapter does.
So this year I'm a secretary for the Tyler FFA, and as an officer you get to organize meetings, organize community service activities, and as a secretary you get to sign off on you get to basically kind of help approve like the events that are happening. This is my first time being an officer, and I really encourage people to step out of their comfort zone, because I would never normally sign up for an officer position, but it really brought me out of my shell. So this year I got to go down to the state sale at Cedar Lakes, and I ended up winning Reserve Champion Bacon, and I've been going to the state sale for 3 years now. So it was like kind of touching, because it's like it shows how much work you do, and going down there you get a lot more buyers, so it was a really cool experience.
This month we went to the Envirothon, and it was also more of a science trip, because we went down there, we learned about water pH, wildlife, and we took one whole day on a trip, and then we studied the whole day. The next day, we stayed all night at Camp Caesar in Cohen, West Virginia. Then the next day we did the testing to the Envirothon.
I have had a lot of experiences through FFA that a lot of other people haven't been able to get. I've gotten to go across the country to compete in things, and it's really important, I believe, for in character building to have these experiences, and this chapter has really given me a lot to work with.
The FFA land judging team has made it to the Nationals. We started last year by doing regional competitions and training. We then competed in our regional competition, which we won. And then we went on to the state competition, which we got in the top 5. We are now going to the national competition, which is held in Oklahoma. We have traveled far and wide throughout West Virginia. We appreciate all that the transportation department has done for us. They have allowed us to make it to all of these competitions.
My proudest moment of an FFA member is when I won the CDE Poultry Champion State of West Virginia. To achieve that goal, we had to work very hard, and my favorite memory was when we went on stage and we got called for first place, and that's why I love FFA.